Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on reordering the app screen of your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch screen to open the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, hold down on an app that you would like to move. Then drag the app to its new location and let go. It is also possible to reorder the app screen of your watch from your phone. To do this, open up the Galaxy Wearable app and tap on Apps Screen. Again, hold down on an app and drag it to its new location and let go. To save your changes to the app screen, tap Save in the bottom right corner. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.